In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a chat to a project in Claude. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep your conversations organized so you can find them faster and collaborate more smoothly. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is a simple way to get to the right place without typing long URLs. In the search bar, type Claude AI and press Enter. You're looking for the official Claude site, which should appear near the top of the results. Double-check that the link is the official Claude.ai domain to make sure you're landing on the correct page. Click through to open it. Once you're on the Claude website, sign in if you're prompted. That will take you to your main workspace. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the sidebar. Go ahead and click it, or expand it if it's collapsed. The sidebar is where your recent chats and projects are listed, so this is at the hub for organizing your work. Next, locate the specific chat you want to add to a project. You can scroll through your recent conversations, and if you have a lot, try scanning by the titles or timestamps to spot it quickly. Clear chat names help here, so consider naming your chats descriptively as you work for easier organization later. When you've found the chat, hover over it and click the three-dot menu icon to open the options. This is the More menu where all the chat-specific actions live. From the menu, choose Add to Project. This tells Claude that you want to file that conversation into a specific workspace area, so it's grouped with related files, prompts, and tasks. A list of your existing projects will appear. Select the project where you want this chat to live. If you're part of teams or shared workspaces, you'll see those projects here too. Pick the right one based on the context of the chat. Think about where you and your collaborators will expect to find it later. After you select the project, the chat will be linked there immediately. You should now be able to open that project and see the conversation listed alongside your other project materials. That's it. You've moved a chat into a project in Claude. As a quick tip, make a habit of organizing chats right after key discussions so nothing gets lost. Consistent naming, clear project selection, and using the sidebar regularly will keep your workspace clean and make teamwork smoother. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!